welcome back to another video. It is 2023. I can't believe it. My last video was back in 2022. I need to do better, I know. But today we're gonna do a cooking video. I'm gonna be cooking arroz con pollo with tostones on the side and possibly a salad. So stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you're notified every time I drop a video, which I need to do better on, and I will be gonna try to be consistent. So stay tuned and here we go. So what you need for this recipe, you're gonna need some chicken. So I have wings, so I'm gonna cut it open, put it in this bowl, and I'm gonna rinse them off. All right, so we have our chicken right there. All right, so next up, need your seasonings. So I'm gonna use the Badia complete seasoning. I usually use adobo, but I don't have any Goya adobo right now. The onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, paprika. Okay, so I always start off with the sazon here. Then I go in with the garlic. So basically what arroz con pollo is, it is rice and chicken cooked together. That's what it is. That's what arroz con pollo means. Arroz is rice, pollo is chicken. Then I go in with the Cajun. Just like that. We're gonna flip it to the other side and we're gonna repeat the process. And we're gonna wet it a little bit. It's like a little capful. Two capfuls. Alright, that is good. So now we're gonna get our pot going because we gotta cook our chicken first. That should be good right there. Turn it on. And then what I do is I add a little sugar to my oil. Hold on a second. Sprinkle a little sugar onto my oil. Just like that. And when my sugar turns brown, my chicken needs to go in the oil. So we're waiting on that. So I'm gonna grab a pot. Put our rice here. I'm gonna cook 5, I'll do like 4 cups of rice. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we have our rice. So now we gotta wash the rice. We're gonna wash it 2 times. I'll be back. Alright, so we have our washed rice. Still waiting on the sugar to turn brown. That's what it's looking like. I'm gonna turn the fire up a little bit, speed up the process. Got the camera jacked up here. Alright, so Next up, while we're waiting on that, put this aside. I'm gonna cut some onions and bell pepper to go into my rice. So we're gonna cut this off. I love red onions. That's my go-to when it comes to onions. So we're not gonna use all of the onions, just gonna use like half. That's good enough. I'm not gonna chop it finely. Just gonna have nice sizes in the rice. That's it for that. Red bell pepper. Cut a couple sides. Probably just do 2 sides. Cut this out. I'm gonna rinse these. My sugar is brown. So now I'm gonna add the chicken to it. Like that. Let it cook. You always gotta tap when it comes to cooking. Lets the people know you're really doing your thing. So always tap. Do some tapping. It's a requirement when it comes to cooking. So we're gonna let it cook. Do its thing. Let me get rid of this. Let's go back to the bell pepper. Slicing it up. Like so. Just gonna cut it in half. It's good enough. In half. Alright, we gotta keep it moving. Plantains coming up. We're gonna move our onions, put it by the chicken here. All right, we have 2 gigantic platanos. That's how we like it. So we're gonna make tostones with these. So let's go ahead and rinse the knife off. All right, so what you do is cut the ends off. Cut the other end off. Plátano. This is soft enough so I can just peel it off. So, let me lift it a little bit. I can just peel it off. Just like that. Alright, let's stir the chicken up. We're gonna chop up our plantains into chunks, just like that. All right, so we gotta add a sazon to this, all in the pot. The chicken looking right, it's looking glazy. All right, we're gonna add our onions and bell pepper to this. Turn the fire up a little bit. Alright, so the chicken is looking right. So we're gonna add our rice to it. I use jasmine rice, by the way. We just love the flavor of jasmine rice. So that's the type of rice that I use. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rice to my chicken. I'm gonna stir my rice and my chicken. Just like that. So I have 5 cups of water to go along with my 4 cups of rice. So now we're gonna stir this up really good. Sea salt. So we're gonna cover the rice, bring down the fire to medium low, and then we're gonna add 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, it is done. All right, so we have our frying pan for our tostones, so let's add the oil. You can wait till the oil gets hot. I don't wait till the oil gets hot, just go ahead and put it in there. There's 7 minutes left for the rice to be done. There's 7 minutes left for the rice to be done. So we're gonna have to hurry up here. Alright, so the plátanos are coming to a boil. Not a boil. Sizzling now. It's frying. So we want to flip it over when it gets a little cooked on the bottom side. So it's not there yet. So we're just gonna let it do its thing. Our rice is counting down. It's almost time. Alright, let's turn it off. Let's check it. Let's check it. Look how nice that looks. It looks so delicious. We're gonna stir it around. Flip. Flip. And the middle part, gonna flip. Alright, the plátanos are ready to come out, so let's take them out because we're going to smash them. So we're going to grab one, smash down, not all the way because you want it like that thick. Alright, then you keep going until you're done. Alright, so those 4 are about done. So we're going to add the already smashed plátano back in the oil. So that's what you want right there. Alright, so we're going to flip them over. Alright, so the tostones are all fried up. I turned the oil off, fire's off, everything is cooked. I've decided not to make a salad after all, so last thing to do with the tostones, excuse me, is to sprinkle salt on them. We kind of toss them around. So now I'm gonna serve it and let you see it on a plate. Now for the moment of truth. Let's try it. Let's dig in. Smells delicious. I know it's good. Not to brag. I can cook. So. What? You want some? Okay, fine. Jeez. Alright. Tostones. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you tried it. Try cooking it. It's easy. It won't take that long. It's less than an hour, I promise you. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Thank you.